Midnight Hook. Ever wondered how to turn ChatGPT into cold hard cash? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it. Let's dive right in. 030, why this matters. ChatGPT isn't just for fun conversations anymore. It's a powerful tool that can help you generate real income online. Whether you're a student looking for side hustles or a professional seeking to boost your earnings, mastering ChatGPT can open up new opportunities. So why wouldn't you want to learn how to make money using one of the most advanced AI tools available? 130 prerequisites. Before we get started, here's what you'll need. A basic understanding of AI tools, access to ChatGPT, and an open mind ready to explore new possibilities. No prior coding experience is required, but being familiar with
AI concepts will definitely help. 2 o'clock step by step. Let's break down the process into simple steps. First, identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What skills do you possess that others might find valuable? Once you've pinpointed your niche, it's time to start creating content. 230 step 1, content creation. Use ChatGPT to generate high quality content quickly. Whether it's blog posts, social media updates, or even product descriptions, ChatGPT can help you produce engaging material in no time. Just input your topic and let the AI do the heavy lift. 3 o'clock step 2, content optimization. Now that you have your content, it's time to optimize it for maximum impact. Use ChatGPT to refine your writing, ensuring it's clear, concise, and appealing to your target audience. You can also ask the AI for suggestions on how to improve your content further. 330 step 3, content distribution. With your optimized content ready, it's time to distribute it across various platforms. Share your blog posts on social media, submit them to relevant websites, and engage with your audience. ChatGPT can even help you craft compelling social media posts that drive traffic to your content. 4 o'clock step 4, monetization strategies. Now comes the exciting part, monetization. There are several ways to monetize your content using ChatGPT. You can offer premium content subscriptions, sell digital products, or even set up affiliate marketing campaigns. ChatGPT can assist you in developing effective monetization strategies tailored to your niche. 430 step 5, customer support. Providing excellent customer support is crucial for any business. ChatGPT can help you handle customer inquiries efficiently, freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. Set up automated responses for common questions and let ChatGPT take care of the rest. 5 o'clock step 6, data analysis. To continuously improve your online income, analyze the data from your various channels. ChatGPT can help you interpret complex data and provide insights on how to enhance your strategies. Use this information to refine your approach and maximize your earnings. 530, here's where it gets interesting. We've covered the basics, but there's more to discover. Let's delve into some advanced techniques that can take your ChatGPT income to the next level. Gesture Pro Tip 1, personalization. One of the most powerful features of ChatGPT is its ability to personalize content. By leveraging user data, you can create highly targeted messages that resonate with your audience. This personalization can significantly increase engagement and conversion rates. Gesture Pro Tip 2, automation. Automation is key to scaling your online income. Set up automated workflows using ChatGPT to streamline your processes. From content creation to customer support, automation can save you time and boost efficiency. 7 o'clock pro tip 3, continuous learning. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and staying updated is essential. Regularly train ChatGPT with new data and techniques to ensure it remains relevant and effective. This continuous learning will help you stay ahead of the competition and maximize your income potential. 7:30, but the real surprise is coming. We've explored various ways to use ChatGPT for online income, but there's one final tip that can truly transform your results. Stay tuned to find out. 8 o'clock results and next steps. So what can you expect after implementing these strategies? Increased engagement, higher conversion rates, and ultimately more income.
If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next. 8:30 final tip, collaboration. Our final tip is collaboration. Connect with other ChatGPT users and share your experiences. Collaborating with others can lead to new opportunities and insights that you might not have discovered on your own. 9 o'clock subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new AI tools and online income content every single day. The next story is even crazier. Remember, this is not financial advice, but practical steps you can take today to boost your online income using ChatGPT. 9:30, if you like this, watch our next video on Describe Next Video Topic. Thanks for joining us on this journey to turning ChatGPT into a reliable source of income.